Well, now let's talk markets, and I'm being joined via phone by an equities trader from APT Securities and Funds Limited, Mr. Jamil Mohammed, who will be speaking to me via phone. Mr. Mohammed, the market is closing the week positively, and let me congratulate you to your induction. You were to invite me, but you later didn't. But let's talk about 2.03% on the high side. This looks significant. Well, I think I lost contact there with Mr. Mohammed. We'll try to reconnect with Mr. Mohammed. Well, let's break down the figures for you for today. For the losers, we have Red Star X, we have Regalings, we have Livestock, we have Prestige, we have Airtel Africa. Gainers, we have Capital Hotel, we have Nestle, we have International Breweries, we have Transcorp, and we have GT Co. To look at this more, my colleague is in the studio already. Ifyongekop, what is your reaction to this? I see that smile continues. The bulls are really taking chances.
It is nice that we close the week.
Yes, so it's with a smile.
5 days straight, consecutively. And see today, more than 2%. And we've had this 2%, above this 2% 2 times this week.
Yes,
so
yes.
Generally, the market would have recovered not less than 4% this week. And it also makes opportunity for those who will want to take profits. I expect that activity anytime next week, because you've seen that we've had marginal increases on the prices of many of the stocks, in different subsectors. Today we have Airtel and many of the manufacturing companies, even the banks, coming to upgrade activities. Airtel Africa lifted the market from mid-trade till the closing hour, and followed by insurance stocks. And then, in fact, when you talk about top trades, you go and meet the banks. So many of them, you have Zenith Bank, you have Access, Fidelity, FCMB, MTN Nigeria. They were the top traders.
Let's allow Jamil Mohammed join us. Mr. Mohammed, take it away. How excited are you with the performance of the market closing the week? So significantly positive.
Very excited, very, very excited. The feeling like when you have been having every time your stock going down every day, and you keep telling investors that the market will rise, and you are now seeing this, you'll be very, very excited. And that is exactly what is happening. Market gained about 2%, 2.04%. And not only that, you see the volatility in the market now. It's not looking like what we have predicted so far. The volatility is now high. You see stock trading, the ASI trading between 47,000 and 46,000. Close 47,554 points. Now, the volume traded today, the stock was about 98 million was traded, and 5.5 billion was traded today. And that is more than 400% of what the value traded yesterday. And the driver of this volume and the value we have today is the MTN that traded about 3 billion worth of stock today. Airtel traded about 800 million today, and also Nestle traded about 700 million value of stock today. So all these things are a plus and a kind of favorable event to the exchange today. As we have witnessed that the stock today, we are seeing a situation whereby we have 18 gainers and we have 8 losers. So the market is tilting towards what we have predicted. The year is moving towards an end, and also the rally that we saw experience over the period of time is what we have started to witness today. The rally will not stop, and we believe it's going to continue the way we have it right. Despite the fact that we have information from the economy showing the information coming from the economy on the negative side, you see GDP slow down and also inflation going up. And also you see what the decision MPC meeting took last week, this week, that they have increased the rate to 16.5%. All these things are supposed to affect our market negatively, but the market, without all this information, the market is now resilient to those information now, and is now rebounding back, and we believe that the rally is going to continue in the near future.
Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, do have a great weekend. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Very much. I really appreciate it.
All right, then. Let's wrap up on that note.
We see here is a measure of confidence that investors and fund managers have in the market.
Yeah.
As he had said, though the general economy is producing so much of negatives in the basket,
Indeed.
so the internal trust that investors have in the market seems, to be very, very strong. And that is it. And I can also say that from now on, the market waits patiently for politicians to finish their game. The moment we do election and we get it right and we know the person and the political party to be in charge of the nations or administration, the market will react positively, and I think that the boom that we will see in the markets after election will last beyond a quarter. So it is just anyone that wants to play the market, opportunity is right here.
All right, thank you so much, Effiong Ekop, and do enjoy your weekend.
The same I wish you.
All right, then.